It's the first major in Wales.
I think it's a real challenge, that golf course, and I think the guys will like it.
I think the nice thing about the Open Championships, the replay, is that it's played on these golf courses that have a lot of history to them.
It's a very, very well-run event, and coming after the British Open itself, we feel very fortunate.
The Senior Open Championship, presented by Rolex, is the domain of legends, with a glittering list of past champions. This claret jug has been lifted aloft by stars from both sides of the Atlantic and beyond.
The speed's good, the line's good, he's got it, he's got it, he's got it!
Yes, players that stand out in the game's history have stepped forward to excel in the Senior Open. And each year there's another star attraction, the course itself. 2014 brings a new venue, stunning Royal Porthcawl Golf Club in Wales.
It's just got a lovely feel to it when you get there, and it's a very pleasant place to play.
And it feels like a major. It does, and we're very, very grateful to everybody for supporting the event.
And when the Americans come over and the Australians and everyone comes to play, I'm sure it will be a very, very good tournament.
You know, hopefully I can pull one out the hat at Porthcawl.
To win the Senior Open Championship would be the icing on the cake in my senior career.
I'm really looking at trying to improve my performances in the majors, and in particular the British as well. So I'm looking forward to that and hoping my game's up to it, and we'll just again see what happens really.
Paul Wesseling, last year's European Senior Tour kingpin, who will mingle with major champions, Ryder Cup heroes, giants of the game. Former world number ones and a powerful American contingent. Oh yes, and fan favourites the world over. Few players are more popular than five-time Open winner Tom Watson, the 2012 Senior Open champion at Turnberry, Fred Couples, and one of golf's great characters.
Well, very exciting, you know. It's going to be probably my first event in my senior career. Will be nice after play the Open, play another Open.
Watched by record crowds, last year's Senior Open at Royal Birkdale produced a thrilling climax.
No, there's never a good time for the hooter to sound, but it really is so frustrating. Well done, Bernard Langer once again. He holds the putt, and the second playoff hole is halved, and I think this time surely they'll say, well, we tried. Has there ever been such a finish to a major championship? And this, remember, is a senior major championship. No, it's all over. We have a champion.
Mark Wiebe defends at Royal Porthcawl in July as the 2014 Senior Open Championship comes to Wales. It's an occasion not to be missed.